PKD Nambiar, political analyst who supports the BJP and couple. Mr. Nambiar, to you first. I don't know if anyone was expecting a decision so soon, within minutes. That breaking news already coming in. Quite anticlimactic, one might say. But you know, many have been saying that the BJP calling the Gandhi's visit to Surat, Rahul Gandhi's visit, along with these party leaders, along with his sisters, an attempt to pressurize the judiciary, just drama. Could that, be a hint that there was a worry that Rahul Gandhi would be granted bail, which he has, and possibly also stay on his conviction, which would then let the Congress say this is a flimsy case that would not hold in higher courts, and this would be a face-saving move for the BJP?
Sarah, you used two words. That is, one is drama, second is anticlimactic. Climax. These two things really says it all about the today's event. If a simple appeal which could have been filed, maybe it took almost 10-11 days for the Congress or the Rahul Gandhi to do. Secondly, it's a party which holds so many veteran lawyers in the country. They are in their fold. After 11 years, why this drama of so many people, three chief ministers, you have seen the entire families, everything. What was the need for doing such kind of a drama? What is the need for a political leader to, rather than just going and filing this appeal, rather than making it like a very big event? I think the only thing which I feel is that maybe Congress and Rahul Gandhi feels that it may give him some kind of a sympathy amongst the people or in the country. But I would rather say, in the last 11 days, including from Wayanad to anywhere else, you have not seen any kind of a real protest. Whereas the Congress senior leadership was thinking that it is going to be a big protest all across the country. Everybody will go, anti-Modi wave is going to begin. But what we have seen is that the congressmen, even typically normal Congress leaders, were even not ready to come onto the street and say that there is something which has done wrong against Rahul Gandhi. I think it's a very childish move.
So PKD Nambiar saying why all this drama after... But PKD Nambiar, you talked about the sympathy factor. You said the only reason you can think for all this is sympathy factor. And why not? In Indian politics, the sympathy factor has played a significant role. We've seen this historically in the past. You don't have to look beyond Rahul Gandhi's own grandmother. But so why do you not see this as a situation of the BJP being played? Is this a self-goal by the BJP?
Sarah, you said it right, that India we are a country of, we are an emotional country. People do have some kind of a belief system in some family or a heroic worship. But then the problem here is that, is Rahul Gandhi a hero? Is Rahul Gandhi been accused of a case? Is it something like in the interest of the nation? So the bottom line is the merit of the case. Now, Kapil was talking about, is there any case in the past? I think every case is unique. Every case will be approached. Of course, he's a lawyer himself. So you know that every case will be dealt with the respective judge according to the merit of the case. And I think beyond that, we don't have to talk about that particular. The moment you go and talk about if anything which happens good from the court in favor of the Gandhi family or in the Congress, then we say the judiciary is the topmost, and we believe in judiciary. The moment anything goes against either the leader or the party, then you say that no, we have doubt on our judicial system also. I think we need to come very clean and say that yes, I believe in judiciary. Whatever is the recourse, as I said, 11 days it took for 11 or 12th day. Today they are going for this appeal. They should have done that in the next day or the next day. The problem with Congress is that it's in a dilemma, that where do they want it to go? What should be the real recourse of politically being relevant? But all these frustrations...
All right, hold on. Just hold that thought, PKD Nambiar, because we do have Rahul Gandhi emerging out of that, the court where he has been granted bail for now. The next case is the next hearing is going to come up on the 13th, the Surat court admitting Rahul Gandhi's plea. So quite a shot in the arm for the Congress right now. PKD Nambiar, Rahul Gandhi coming out there waving to the crowds of cameras set up as everybody had arrived on the ground there to report on this story.
Well, I believe that this is a real legal recourse which every citizen of this country has got his own right to appeal to a senior court, and which he has done today. And I'm sure that he will get justice if he has not done anything wrong, and he has got all the right to go till to the Supreme Court. So the bottom line is that let us not criticize all these things as it's a BJP's game. That is where my issue is. That so when you had got 4 years, this case was going on for 4 years. After that, a judgment is coming out. Then you suddenly say that it is all political vendetta. That is not the right way to look at it. And we all know that from the last 1 month or so, ever since he has come back from UK onwards, there is a large amount of sentiments against the way he has portrayed India's story, or criticized or asked support from the world, the UK or any of the other the countries, that India's democracy in danger. So I think he is trying to. He knows that. In many of the Congress leaders have even told me that it was not in the good taste. But then, of course, he wanted to make it again a heroic activity. But I don't think that people of India now in 2023 understands what is right, what is wrong, and he is just making a mockery of himself, making this as a very big political drama. And I also feel sad in the meantime that he is today not even an MP. He is a former president of the of Congress, but unfortunately, the Congress today means it's all about the Gandhi family. That is once again clearly evident from the visuals what you are showing. Even though there was an election which happened few months ago in Congress, we all know that the buck stops at one family, and it's all about that one family. Whether it is all the chief ministers, whether it is all the leaders you are seeing, it's all about that bhakti towards one family. Beyond that, there is no politics in Congress anymore. Rather than concentrating on the upcoming
Nambiar, you made
elections
your
and
point
being
about
relevant
dynasty
and going